Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Juliette, about a 1970 to 1975 AM only 8-transistor radio. Says it works pretty good. It's a little beat up. Used 9-volt battery, has an earphone jack and a DC input. That's unusual for these little cheap radios. On-off volume, tuning dial. There's the tuning dial right there. That's the tuning knob. And I'm between numbers, so it's black. And let me turn it on.
And so we have a trip for two to New York City, including
Not too bad.
of the Statue of Liberty.
Now let me tune it so you can see the numbers. There's the number.
For any team.
There's
Doesn't
620.
matter how good they are. Doesn't matter the schedule, right? So, I think they get more heavily criticized because of their lack of
Not
their
bad.
lack of strength of schedule because they're Indiana.
Juliette made pretty good cheap radios back in the day. Whoop. Got a little interference there. I have to turn it this way because the stations are that way. Turn it up.
Break it. Excuse me, you start with the mask on and the purple hat and the red gloves. You're not Santa Claus, you're trespassing. Get off the property, police.
For it, and her name's not attached to it. So there seems to be
Plenty of volume. That's it. Now let me turn it off. I want to show you the inside. This is 8-transistor. And there's quite a bit of circuitry in this one. That's the reason it does so well. Pretty cool. I think he says it has not been serviced. So this is as is. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm not wasting your time and showing you something really that you're interested in. Not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.